The Civic Hybrid is back. It's been about a decade since there's been a hybrid model in the Honda Civic lineup, but there is one again for 2025, but it's a little bit different than it was before. This Civic Hybrid is focused on performance as much as it is efficiency. In fact, it is the up-level powertrain in the Civic lineup. We're here in Montreal where we've taken our first spin behind the wheel of the Civic in a wide variety of weather conditions, so let's get to it. We're behind the wheel now, testing that new hybrid powertrain. Right now we are in some pretty heavy traffic, but that is actually showing off how smooth the transitions are between the pure electric hybrid mode and the gas engine kicking in to help. So right now I am running solely on battery power. I've got an EV indicator on the dash, but when the gas engine kicks in, it's very smooth and non-intrusive. There are 4 different drive modes. There's an Econ mode, normal mode, sport mode, and a driver customizable individual mode. Sport mode tightens up the steering feel, sharpens the throttle pedal response, and actually sweetens the exhaust note as well. Yeah, that sounds great. The new Honda Civic Hybrid is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 2-motor hybrid system. This is similar to the setup of Honda's other hybrids, the CR-V SUV and the Accord midsize sedan. Honda's estimates for power in the Civic Hybrid are 200 horsepower and 232 pounds-feet of torque. Now, that is a notable step up from the 180 horsepower rating of the 2024 Civic's 1.5-liter turbo engine, and the hybrid powertrain takes the place of that engine in the Honda Civic lineup. The estimates for fuel economy are quite impressive as well. 50 miles per gallon city, 47 highway, and 49 combined. Those are Honda's preliminary specs. So the Civic Hybrid's transmission does a good job of delivering the power. It does take a second when you really step on the gas for the power to come on in earnest, but it does mimic the gear shifts of a traditional automatic transmission. So Honda says it's improved the Civic's adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist features for 2025. It's been a while since I've driven a Civic, so I can't really do a back-to-back comparison, but we are using the adaptive cruise control now, and it does feel pretty smooth. It's keeping me a proper distance behind a slower moving vehicle in front of us now, so both the acceleration and deceleration with the adaptive cruise control are pretty smooth and natural feeling for the most part. And the lane keep assist system feels good too. It's providing the proper amount of assistance. It's not really ping-ponging in between the lanes, and even on some gradual curves, it's keeping the vehicle centered quite well. There's a regenerative braking system with 4 different settings that can be selected via the steering wheel paddles. The left-hand side increases the regen feel. Tapping it right now, and yes, I can feel the car slow down as the regen braking kicks up, and then tapping the right side pedals. Kind of nice to be able to select it on the fly. It's not a super aggressive setting if you're used to one pedal driving in an electric vehicle or a plug-in hybrid. This is not that, but again, it's nice to have the car slow when you lift off the throttle pedal, and that energy is being funneled back into the hybrid battery. So on the outside, not a lot changes on the 2025 Civic. All of them get a new front fascia, a new grille insert, and hybrid Civics are differentiated by this body color trim on the lower side of the headlights, body color front spoiler lip as well. This being a sport touring hybrid, we have these exclusive 18-inch wheels. This color is called Blue Lagoon Pearl, which is new for 2025. And because this is a pre-production model, we've got a prototype vehicle sticker on the side, but it's fully representative of the production vehicle. So inside the 2025 Civic, Not a lot has changed. Frankly, I don't think a lot needed to. This is still one of the nicest interiors in the compact car class. We've got a couple USB-C ports nestled into the front of the center console. The big upgrade is in the Sport Touring Hybrid, and that is this. It is a Google built-in infotainment system in place of the Honda software. So you've got Google Maps, Google Assistant, the Play Store. It still does Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Haven't had a chance to really dig into this system, but the initial impressions are good. The response times are really quick, and it looks like it will be a nice upgrade over the Honda software. So both the hybrid and regular gas engine versions of the 2025 Civic sedan go on sale in June 2024, with the hatchback version set to follow later in the summer. The Sport Touring Hybrid starts at $31,750, but that is with a full complement of standard equipment. We're looking forward to more time in the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid later this year, but for now you can read my full review at cars.com.